So our focus has been simplification. Simplification from when we started our original journey, and then the journey from Taleo to ORC. And we did simplification on a number of levels. We looked at integrations. So from Taleo to HCM, we had 10 integrations there. We also eliminated our custom integrations to outside vendors, which now are delivered integrations with ORC, which is significant. So we're not managing those integrations across multiple platforms. We looked at common processes across our 8 business units, which we were able to implement. We looked at the functionality across the ORC versus Taleo. When you go into ORC now, there's not the user password, which we found the drop-off rates in Taleo versus ORC. Our internal process is seamless with ORC versus Taleo. So there is a lot of movement across units for internal employees. And our implementation, I feel, was a short time frame. We started the project in March and we went live in the US across our 8 business units in August.